好了。
啊，我感觉。
好，小心点。
啊！
哇！哎，美女你在干嘛？讲你看，钓到没得劲儿啊？没有，我自己那条黑嘞，你知道吗？没水了，马上去呀！我怎么你们讲嘛？你讲你就说嘛，把你这黑子了。我刚刚出来，你快点！喂，你背什么二狗？狗人累要去了。不对，哪个？我操了妈个逼的！咋了？臭你妈个臭鬼！你妈了个逼的！打啊！上路嘛，傻逼！知道了嘛？干嘛？你还要？我手机怎么办啊？没手机。
我让你们低廉的压力吃，给你吃，低廉。
操你妈谁呀！没动，我塞过去。去哪去？滚！准备好了没有？时刻准备着！我操！ 我丢！小心啊！你还有山啊！自尽！哎呀！哎呀！我操！快删啦！太酸了！小心，是个男孩呀！喂，老妹怎么搞的？妈的！单手扶着。
哎呀，帅哥，帮我把球捡一下，谢谢。
哦。
哎呦我操！
哎呦！哎呦！
不好意思啊。
哎呦！哎呦！好，使劲！哎，来，3、2、1，起立！哎呦我操！媳妇儿啊，吃死我了，媳妇儿，我做不了了。嘿，什么他妈东西，吓死我了你！
Round 1. Lady, go!
I am sick of all you round earth believers saying that the earth is not flat. I'm Schminny, part of the Flat Earth Society, and I'm going to tell you why the earth is flat. First, someone told me that if the earth was flat, then gravity would be way stronger. I'm going to tell you right now, gravity is not a thing. Let's just take gravity and throw it out. Let's just take gravity and throw it out the door. Gravity, not a thing. Gravity does not exist in the Flat Earth Society. Gravity is not a thing, okay? Second of all, how we all keep together, there is a huge wall of ice around the earth. It's flat, there's a huge wall of ice around the earth. Second, people who think that they've traveled around the world are just going under Antarctica. Around Antarctica, sorry. And the sun goes like from the top of the world to under Antarctica, and then it's the same with the moon, and then they come back up when it's time. Okay, so all you people trying to tell me that the earth is not flat can go just die, because you are contributing to Illuminati theories. Yes, okay. The flat earth is like, we kind of believe that the Illuminati is like kind of trying to make us believe that the earth is round, faking satellite images. They're very easy to fake. What else? Faking trips to space. And, just stuff like that. You're contributing in that. Like Satanism, sin, lies. Lying is sin. Yes, I mean to tell you that lying is a sin. And also, the earth is flat because if we have airplanes going around the earth, they're just gonna go off the earth and fall. That's the thing. If the earth is not flat, this is what would happen. Here's the circle of the earth. Airplane falls because it came off the edge. Okay, so thank you. The earth is flat. It's very passionate. I'm very passionate about this, so